In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Drive folder shortcut on your desktop. By the end, you'll be able to open a specific Drive folder with a single double click, just like a regular folder on your computer. This is really handy if you have a shared folder you use every day or a project folder you're constantly jumping into. Let's start from your web browser. First, open Google Drive in your browser of choice. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or anything you're comfortable with, as long as you're signed into the Google account that owns or has access to the folder you need. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now so you can see your Drive files and folders. Once Google Drive is open, navigate to the folder you want a shortcut for. This might be in your My Drive, inside a shared drive, or in Shared with Me. Take a moment to make sure it's the exact folder you want quick access to. When you're sure, click to open that folder so you're viewing its contents. This step is important because we want the link to that specific folder, not just to your main Drive page. Now look at the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where the web link or URL for the folder is shown. Click once in the address bar to highlight the entire link, then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. This link is what your desktop shortcut will use to jump straight into this folder. Next, switch over to your desktop, minimize or move your browser window so you can see an empty area on the desktop. Right-click on any blank space where you want the shortcut to appear. A menu will pop up. From that menu, hover over New, and then click on Shortcut. This opens the shortcut creation window. In this window, you'll see a box asking for the location of the item. Click inside that box and paste the folder link you copied from Google Drive. You can right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. If you're creating the shortcut inside a Windows virtual machine or similar setup, take a quick glance to make sure the link looks like a Google Drive URL. Once the link is pasted, click Next. Now you'll be asked to name your shortcut. This is the name that will appear under the icon on your desktop. It's a good idea to give it something clear and recognizable, like the actual folder name or a short description of what's inside. That way you can spot it quickly among your other icons. After typing the name, click Finish. You should now see a new shortcut icon on your desktop with the name you just chose. To test it, double-click the shortcut. Your browser should open directly to that Google Drive folder, saving you the extra steps of opening Drive and navigating to it manually. That's all there is to it. You've created a Google Drive folder shortcut on your desktop, making it much faster to reach the files you use the most.